Where is the next frontier for enterprise drones? Data collection is now standard. The future belongs to comprehension. Join the DJI Enterprise Drone Onboard AI Challenge 2026. Integrate a tailored AI model and transform the drone into an intelligent edge device. Whether it's infrastructure risks or navigational safety, the system rapidly spots issues, verifies counts, pinpoints coordinates, and generates reports, helping you stay one step ahead of potential risks. Now, the stage is set for your innovation. The DJI Matrice 4 series, Matrice 4D series, and Matrice 400 drone platforms possess massive onboard processing capabilities. Enhanced by Manifold 3's exceptional computing capabilities, they drive next-generation AI development and applications. With the DJI Developer Platform, deployment is seamless. One-click upload, automatic conversion. In minutes, algorithms are integrated into flight tasks, delivering real-time detection, alerts, and visualized reports. Here, computing power is fully accessible. The platform natively supports today's leading AI models. We also support localized training, safeguarding data security. Equip the drone with an AI brain and unleash unprecedented productivity. Real-world frontline challenges require smarter solutions. Together, let's unlock onboard potential and soar into the AI era.